Roll over. Good boy. Good boy.
Wait. I'm sorry you're hurt. What did you expect? What did I expect?
Sit.
Just a minute. Relax.
Aww.
If you think I wanted more of you after that,
You want to take a picture of them?
of course.
Pretend you're giving him a treat and click it.
It's a clip.
Oh, the clip? Caper! 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 He's like, Caper, come here. Sit. Good boy. Catch. Oops.